let's go ahead and wrap this up with our one to watch this week, Matt. And Matt, you have, I think, an interesting take for listeners based on what we've been talking about today. What is your one to watch this week?
Well, I'm a big fan of Buffett's banking investments. I've been talking about the value in banks like Bank of America and Goldman Sachs for some time now. Other people on the show have talked about JP Morgan as a big value play, Wells Fargo. But it's not practical for most people to own 10 different bank stocks. So I'm watching actually the financial sector SPDR ETF. Ticker symbol is XLF. And it's a great way to invest in a bunch of bank stocks and Berkshire itself. Don't forget Berkshire at its core is a financial sector stock and is actually the ETF's highest top holding. But other than that, it owns a lot of JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. Pretty much the Buffett banking portfolio you could buy all in one stock.
Good deal.
And it's a very low cost index fund. It's a great way if people just feel like I do that the banking sector as a whole has a lot of potential and is very undervalued right now.
And what's the ticker for that fund?
It again is XLF.
I like that. That's good. Well, kind of like you, I'm gonna honor Buffett and Berkshire here. I'm gonna go with Travelers in honor of Berkshire bringing or adding at least to Travelers during the quarter. The ticker is TRV. You know, insurance is just one of those things. Everybody needs it. You don't know when it's going to come in handy, but that's the whole point, really. And Travelers is a very well-known brand within the insurance industry. Net premiums for the most recent quarter were up 6%, which is encouraging. They continue to maintain attractive combined ratios. The underlying combined ratio this year chalked up at 93%. That means they're writing good business. And I think that you can assume that they will continue to do that. The philosophy, I think, with Travelers, certainly when I was there, and this doesn't appear to have changed, is they want to just pay what they owe and move on. Try to eliminate as much of that friction, eliminate those frictional costs that can string out business for a long period of time in the form of subrogation and whatnot. And then I think it's also really neat to see Travelers saddling up with Amazon here and coming up with some new home insurance products, using some of that technology that Amazon's coming out with, rolling that into some Travelers insurance products and giving homeowners a new way to view purchasing home insurance, which is, of course, a requirement if you're going to own your home. So for me, yeah, Travelers, it seems like it's never really been a bad time to own the stock, and apparently Uncle Warren agrees.